Hello, good morning, welcome back dears. How are you? So, where there is a will, there is a way. Jaha chaah, wahan raho. Okay? If you are willing to do something, so definitely you can do that. Okay? Because there is will, there is way. If you have will, so definitely you will get the way for getting your destination. Okay? So, in previous lecture, we have already started working with the language and we have solved how to frame the question by using interrogative pronoun. Okay, so again please keep open page number 64 and 65, lesson number 4. Okay, the ashes that made trees bloom, and it is part 6 of our lesson. Okay, in this video we are going to solve right appropriate question words. We again dealing the appropriate question words means we will again use interrogative pronoun. So when we ask the question, when we have curiosity, when we are excited to know something, when we have excitement to know something. Okay, so when we are eager to know something, we have question. Okay, and it is interrogative sentence. Okay, it shows interrogative sentence when we are eager to know something. Okay, so again we have to use some interrogative pronoun that we have discussed in our previous lecture, means what, when, where, how much, okay, how long, how for, how many. Okay, so again we are using in this concept. So keep open your book and we are solving question number 2. Write appropriate questions word in the blank spaces in the following dialogue. There is dialogue, you can see there is a dialogue I have written on the board, and we have answers. Okay, we have a particular or prominent dialogue. If suppose we are reading the dialogue properly, so definitely we'll get the appropriate interrogative pronoun. Okay, let's start. So Neha, it is a conversation between Neha and Sheila. Okay, the two girls are talking in dialogues, and we will consider that how to use interrogative pronoun. So Neha, dash, did you get this book? Dash, did you get this book? So Sheila, we will get the idea by seeing the answer. We have the complete answer of Sheila. We have reply of Sheila. How Sheila replying? If we learn the reply of Sheila, definitely we will get the question asking by Neha. Okay, so it is a conversation between Neha and Sheila. Neha asks, dash, did you get this book? Dash, did you get this book? आपको ये बुक कहाँ से मिली? ओके, या आपको ये बुक कब मिली, कैसे मिली, क्यों मिली? We'll see. So from where we will get the idea? We will get the idea by seeing the reply of Sheila. Yesterday morning, it is an answer given by Sheila. Okay, and Neha asked, dash, did you get this book? So what idea we have? They are question is asking about place, question is asking about time, or question is asking about any purpose or means. How we'll get the idea? We'll get the idea from Sheila's reply. Yesterday morning shows time. It represents time. So for showing the time, we will use the interrogative pronoun when. Okay, so when did you get this book? Yesterday morning. Her replies shows timing. Okay, and we use when for asking for timing. Okay, so we will use the interrogative pronoun when did you get this book? Yesterday morning. Okay, so it will be very easy. If you directly watching for the fill in the blanks, you will be puzzled, but you just check the reply given by Sheila. So definitely you will get the idea which interrogative pronoun you have to use. Okay, then Neha, dash is your sister crying? Dash is your sister crying? Okay, Sheila, because she has lost her doll. So Sheila is giving the reason. So for showing reason, we use why. again Neha, dash is your sister crying. So you will be puzzled. You can use why, when, where, how much, how many. We have lots of interrogative pronoun. So how to take the appropriate or correct interrogative pronoun? By seeing the answer of Sheila, by seeing the reply of Sheila. Because she has lost her doll. So it is showing the reason. Why is your sister crying? Why is Sheila's sister crying? Because she has lost the doll. So our answer, the answer given by Sheila, because she has lost her doll. It shows the reason. It shows reason. Okay. So for showing the reason, we use why. Interrogative pronoun why. Why is your sister crying? Why is your sister crying? So there is a reason. There must be some reason behind his crying, behind her crying. There must be some reason. So the reason is that because she has lost her doll. So if we talk about the reason, if we are showing about the reason, if we talk about the reason, so we will represent an interrogative pronoun why. Why is your sister crying? Because she has lost her doll. So for representing time, we use when. When did you get this? When did you get this book? Yesterday morning. It shows time. For showing time, we use when. Okay. Then why is your sister crying? So it shows a reason or purpose. What was the reason that Sheila's sister was crying? Because she has lost the doll. So we have a reason. So for using for the reason, we use why. Next, Neha, dash room is this, yours or hers? Okay. Dash room is this. किसका है ये कमरा? Your. आपका या उसका? So here we is talking about someone's possession. Someone's belong to. Okay, we are talking about belong to. So this room is belong to whom? That room is belong to whom? Either you or she. Okay, so dash room is this. किसका है ये कमरा? Yours or hers? तुम्हारा या उसका? So it shows belong to. It shows the particular person's possession. It shows the possession or belongingness from someone. So for it we will use whose. Whose means किसका. Okay, whose means किसका. So if we talk about belongingness, if we talk about somebody's possession, we use whose. Whose pencil is this? ये पेंसिल किसकी है? Whose book is this? ये बुक किसकी है? Whose pen is this? ये पेन किसका है? So same like that. Whose room is this? ये रूम किसका है? Yours, आपका, और hers, उसका. Okay, so we'll use whose. Definitely, if suppose you have belongingness, you have possession, if you would like to ask about to whom this thing belong to, so we use whose. Okay, whose room is this? Yours or hers? So it's yours. It's yours. ये तुम्हारा है, ये आपका है. Okay, so you are showing to him. Okay, you are giving the belongingness to him. Okay, next, Neha, dash do you go to school? So we have lots of confusion. Dash do you go to school? Maybe why do you go to school? When do you go to school? How do you go to school? Where do you go to school? We have lots of puzzles. Okay, we became muddle-headed. So what to do? We will check the answer. Okay, we will check the answer. We will check the reply of Sheila. Okay, if we learn the reply of Sheila, definitely we'll have the idea which interrogative pronoun we have to use in this case. Okay, dash do you go to school? So just first we will check the answer. Okay, dash do you go to school? Answer, we walk to school. It is nearby. We walk to school. So it is not required to keep when do you go to school. It is asking for the time, but it is she is replying we walk to school. Okay, where do you go to school? It is asking for the place, but our answer is we walk to school. Okay, then so finally we have idea dash do you go to school. By seeing the answer we walk to school, it means the question is asking, it is interrogating about the means which we use for going to school. So now it is querying. Okay, it is an excitement. Okay, it is an eagerness to ask about which means we use for going to school. Okay, which means we use for going to school. So that's why she replies we walk to school. It is nearby, the school is nearby, that's why we didn't take any means, that's why we didn't go by bus, that's why we don't go by bus, that's why we don't hire the bus for going, that's why we don't have any auto for joining the school. So school is nearby, so that's why we walk to school. We walk to school. So answer is giving us a clue for by which means we join the school, which means we use for joining the school. So school is near about, that's why we walk to school. Okay, so what will be an appropriate alternative for filling in this, fill in the blanks? So it will be, if we talk about means, by which means, if we talk about by which means we use how do you go to school? Okay, how do you go to school? So in this case the question asks about the particular means that we were going to use or that we are going to use for joining the school. So how do you go to school? School is nearby, that's why we walk to school. Okay, so how represent, how shows if we ask about means, if we are talking for means, if we are interrogating for means, by which means, so we use an appropriate interrogative pronoun how do you go to school? We walk to school because it is nearby. So it is all about appropriate question words. Okay, these all are interrogative pronoun, and we have seen about what is an interrogative question frame, how an interrogative question frame, and how we have the idea for filling an appropriate interrogative word by looking, by seeing, okay, by thinking about the place, time, purpose, motive, belongingness, okay, or means. Okay, so you should write down in your fair copy and complete your fair copy, okay, as soon as possible, and your exam definitely will be conducted, okay, next month. So you should be ready for everything. Okay, thank you.